Welcome. If you've ever tried to organize your Gmail drafts but found them mixed with unwanted calendar updates, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through an updated and simple way to view your draft emails, excluding calendar updates, using the Gmail app on your Android or iPhone. Let's get started with Step 1. First, open the Gmail app on your Android or iPhone. Make sure you're signed in with the correct Google account for the drafts you want to view. Next, look to the top left corner of your screen for the menu icon. That's the 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Tap on it to expand the Gmail sidebar. Scroll through the menu options until you see Drafts. Tap on the Drafts folder. Now you're looking at a list of all your saved draft emails. But we're not finished yet. These drafts likely still contain some calendar updates you don't want to see. Just below the search bar, you'll see a set of filter options designed to help you manage your drafts even more efficiently. This is where the magic happens. Look for the option that says Exclude Calendar Updates. Tap on this filter. What happens now? The Gmail app instantly hides any draft emails that are actually calendar event updates or invitations. That means you're left with only your real, handwritten email drafts, making it much easier to find, edit, or send them without the clutter. To recap, open Gmail on your phone, tap the menu icon in the top left, select the Drafts folder. Use the Exclude Calendar Updates filter below the search bar. That's all there is to it. With this quick update, you'll never have to sift through calendar invitations just to find your important draft emails again. Stay organized, stay stress-free, and keep your communication running smoothly. Thanks for tuning in.